Good day everyone, welcome back to our channel, and this is Miss Eileen. Today I'm going to talk about the rule of signs part 2, where it is used on operations such as multiplication or division. Okay, so first of all, I have here positive and positive, and the parentheses indicates multiplication, but this also applies in the division operation. We have here both are positive, so that is positive plus positive. The answer will automatically be positive. For the next signs, we have negative and negative, and when multiplied, their answer of the integer will be positive. So when your signs are the same, such as positive and positive and negative, these signs will be positive. Now, when the signs are different, they have I have here a positive and a negative sign. The sign of your integer will automatically be negative. So when they are different signs, they are negative. So in addition, if the positive number is higher than the negative number, the sign of your answer or your number will be positive. But if the higher number is negative, then the sign of your integer will also be in negative form. Last but not the least, in the rule of signs of multiplication and division, I have here a negative sign and a positive sign. Again, what I told you a while ago, when they are different sign, the sign will always be in negative form. So as you can see here, I have a positive and a negative, and the sign is negative. And I also have a negative and a positive, and the sign is negative. So this is the rule of sign for multiplication or division.